To summarize what we have done in this video tutorial on acquiring your own location, we have examined a possible list of website vendors that you might want to choose from, of which Level Healthware recommends Yahoo Small Business, Fat Cow, or iPage, and many of the others are very good also. Now, you must be quite sure when you choose your vendor from this list of possible vendors to check that they indeed do offer FTP service. Not all of them do. Then you proceed to acquire your website with this vendor. Then the next step would be to go into your website through your vendor's home page and to add a new directory called Diabetes Directory, or some other name of your own choosing, which will be used exclusively to hold your diabetes data. In case you are a diabetes caregiver, it would be used to hold the diabetes data of all of your patients, each one with their own password-protected folder. Then you set up a new account in your web hosting website. A recommended name might be Diabetes Account, but it could be any account name of your own choosing. And you dedicate that account to having view only of the directory that you just created. For example, we call it a Diabetes Directory. And you set a password for use by that account, and we chose a password 100% target zone. And now your website is equipped and ready to accept diabetes data. Then when you open Level, you go to the setup screen and you enter these same parameters with the same case sensitivity as you created them at your web hosting website. Then you choose a name for your personal folder, either a name of your own choosing or a name that your diabetes caregiver has assigned to you, or one that you have jointly decided upon. Then you create a password to protect this folder from getting mixed up with other patients' folders, and this password will only be known to yourself and to your diabetes caregiver. And then you create the connection to your new diabetes folder at your web hosting website location. And then whenever you sign off with using Level, your data set as it then exists, a copy of it is placed at this location, and when you start a new session on any of your computers, or when your diabetes caregiver comes in to take a look, then that current copy will be retrieved from that website location and placed into that computer for either working on or for viewing. When you decide that you might want to change your website location for some reason, then we illustrated the simple process of detaching from the old one, and since the data set in the computer is always current, just reattaching to the new one and loading that current data set as a starting data set into the new website location. Also, the scenario for going offline and then reattaching to exactly the same website location as you left was also illustrated.